Alright, I got the screws in, as you can see. And it's crooked, of course. But it latches, and that's what I wanted to do. See, it was only catching by about that much. And very little. You see it? Well, I got it to catch a little bit more. So it... There we go. Got it! Got it! Ha! Let me go put this knife away. I don't need this knife anymore. And or my vice grippers. I'll put them right over here, right out in the cold. I hope you guys get cold. I locked up my toolbox already, so... Alright. We did it, Gowie. Hey, that's 2 down. What's the third thing I needed to do? I don't fucking know. Put the screwdriver away? What's that cover doing in there? That's cover that should be down here. Yep, right in there. See it? I found it at. Okay. I need water. Okay. Let's fill this bad boy up. Spitting. Oh, God damn it. I don't know if you guys saw that brown water coming out of there, but yeah, it came to the time of spitting. Some brown water came out of that faucet, but we don't want that. Yeah, here we go. So now what we do is we this stuff right here, let's do some cranberry lemonade. There we go. Alright, so time for lunch yet? Had a bowl of cereal for breakfast, if you guys noticed. Yeah, I haven't put the video up yet, but... okay. I'm all done. Now, what did I get this out for? I don't know. I don't know. So we'll go back in my room, office room, and we'll put this back over the cellar stairs. And what we do is, we got everything up here in this box. It's mine. And everything else is Sharon's. Let's turn this off. That's the automatic light. Alright. We got a couple things done today. Now if I could find my Christmas gift for Sharon, I will... Yeah, alright. Let's do this. You guys aren't going to be there with me, but let's do this. Oh, I got metal. I always got metal.